Hey guys, so this is the Dacia Spring and I'm gonna be testing if these mud flaps that I'm gonna install, they look pretty good, they fit perfectly, are gonna protect this gap here from getting as dirty, or this whole side here. So I'm only gonna install it on this side and not on the other side. I'm gonna clean both sides, and in a few days we'll see if it made a difference. Okay, let's clean the car. So I cleaned the sides and now we're just gonna install the mud flap. Now we're gonna put the mud flap in. Okay, so this is the mud flap. Goes in like this. We're gonna have to drill here, but it has two clips. You can use the original clips. The mud flaps also come with a couple of clips, so you can use those if you want them. And it comes with screws. This is what it looks like. Okay, and we're gonna be seeing in a few days if it makes a difference. I'm only installing on this side, not on the other side. Okay, I'll see you in a few days. So this is a few days later. This is the side with the mud flap. Okay. And this is the side without it.